And here in Southwest Florida, nearly 19,000 of you have been vaccinated. The majority of you have only gotten that first dose, though. And since then, there have been a lot of questions about how appointments for dose 2 will work. This morning, Jessica Alpern is pushing for answers for you. She's live from today's vaccine site in Naples with an update from the Department of Health. Jess, what can you tell us?
Yeah, good morning, Chris. So I've been reporting live from vaccine sites all over Southwest Florida the past 2 weeks. And by far, I can tell you the biggest question has been about shot number 2 when it comes to the Moderna vaccination. And people want to know that there's a plan in place for their county before they get that first dose, because the Moderna vaccination does require 2 doses to be effective. So they're actually recommending that you have this second shot 1 month after the first. So people have been concerned over the timeline of all of this. When Lee County first opened sites, it asked you to make sure that you ask for a reminder card telling you when you should get dose 2. Many of you tell me they instructed you to come back between 28 to 30 days for the next dose, but they couldn't answer questions on where those shots would happen and if you could make an appointment. In fact, this was before they had a reservation system in place. It's left a lot of questions, including for one couple who I followed up with after first interviewing them at the Bonita Springs vaccine site last week.
Well, right now we've seen no information at all on if it's going to be offered, where it's going to be offered, how to make an appointment. I don't think they really thought that one through too well.
The answer that we got was she wrote down on the piece of paper that we should keep checking with legov.com/vaccine, and that we would be able to find out at that site.
But right now, the site just says that the reservation call center is closed and there's no appointments that far out. The Cranes, who you just heard from, live in Collier County, and shortly after they made the drive to Lee County and waited hours in line for dose 1, Collier started offering appointments. Now, I've been able to confirm details surrounding dose 2 with the Department of Health in Collier. They tell me that those who receive dose 1 through them will receive an email in approximately 3 weeks, reminding them that they will need to schedule dose 2. They also say they can confirm that they will have designated times for those who need the second dose. So that's good news, Chris, for the people who will be getting the shot out here today. We're at North Collier Regional Park for the vaccine site that's going to be happening at 9 o'clock this morning. It's good news for the more than 5,000 who have already received dose 1 in Collier, but for the Cranes, who are like nearly 11,000 others who received that first dose in Lee County, still a lot of unanswered questions. Of course, you can come out here to Collier. You can make an appointment to get dose 2 anywhere if you got dose 1 in Lee County, but you won't have that designated time reserved for you as if you were somebody who got dose 1 here originally. Chris?
Well, Jessica, it goes without saying that there are more people who want the vaccine right now than there are vaccines available. So people are turning to places and they're looking to find them any way they can. That's leading some people to the internet. And I understand some scams are out there looking to take advantage of people. What can you tell everybody so we can stay safe?
Yeah, so overnight, the Department of Health issued this warning about a vaccine scam. So because you have to go online using the Eventbrite system to make an appointment to come out to sites like this, they're already seeing people being taken advantage of. People are being asked for their credit card, bank information, even their social security number. That is not information that the Department of Health would require of you. The vaccines out here are free, so you should not give that information away. Reporting live in Naples, Jessica Alpern, Fox 4.